there was something else also. Dispute dot custom or something like. What is that? What is that used for?
List. Good. Wrong one. The custom. With this one, we can actually define our own specific looking like list view.
Okay.
So as we can see here, using a Slaver child delegate and some more generic stuff,
But that is.
where we can do more customize the list view itself.
Okay, but I guess we will use separated and builder more often.
In most cases,
More often.
custom
Okay.
takes some time, so we can do some fancy stuff with list views. Yeah.
There might be some other parameters in separated. Let's explore that. What else is there? What else can we do with
So
this?
what else we have here is
I see something that is controller, scroll controller.
yeah. List view itself is providing a default list scroll controller, which allows us to actually scroll. So this is the one that controls the flow, controls the rebuild of the items, and so on. And if we, for example, provide a custom scroll view controller, we can then specify some positions. For example, we can say, okay, when we add an element into the list, we should jump the end of the list. And that's the moment when we need to manipulate our own scroll view controller.
Scroll view controller is another widget, or?
Yeah, this is another widget.
Okay.
Like everything, yeah.
Okay, now there is another value called boolean primary. What is
Boolean
that?
Primary. That's something I need to look for myself because I never used that. Let's see. The primary argument is true. The controller must be null.
Okay. It doesn't have any specific activities, I guess, that controller can do if we set primary true.
So. Single child layout model. Yeah. Like that. Primary, what type is it? Just bool.
Yeah, true or false.
Whether this is the primary scroll view associated with the parent. Yeah, and I guess it's primary controller in
Primary
standard.
scroll controller that has the default value, primary value.
But what's used very often instead, I never used primary, for example. Reverse, if you want just to turn around the list.
Let's give a try. reverse true.
Something. Oh, restoration ID is something different.
What this?
Yeah.
Now
we are now counting
from 100 to 1.
Exactly.
Okay.
Just reversing the list.
I'm not sure when would they use. Okay, what else is there in separated?
I think there are not that many cases to do that.
Yeah.
What else is there? We have scroll physics, for example.
Oh, that is something.
That's something else. But in most cases, we want to describe a certain behavior or scroll when we want to scroll the list view. And one of them, because it's easy to show, is the never scrollable physics.
I don't want to. But why would I use list view in this case? I don't want.
Maybe we don't want the user to scroll, but maybe we want to set where it needs to scroll to, for example, or it is creating some problems with other scrolling elements. But we can use that in so many places, not only in ListView.
Okay, maybe that came in my mind. If the parent is scrollable, but I want to dynamically load the value inside list view, and the whole parent will be, then I don't need to scroll that list view. In that case, we might use this never scrollable.
Yeah, as we can see,
It's not scrollable. Yeah.
Scroll.